Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Rachel Gray here. Today I am going to show you how to do a twist out modified for 3A hair. Now the reason I wanted to come on here and show you this is because as a girl who has hair that looks thick but in actuality is thin, 3A curls don't respond generally well to all of the twist out tutorials that are on the internet. We have such thin hair that if we're supposed to put our hair in twist, flat twist, whatever types of twists, and then unravel it after it's dry, you're gonna get some stringy looking hair. It's facts. And I tell you, when I tried to do those twist outs, but every time it would come out looking so bad. So these are my twist out results for my modified way of doing it. And I would love to show you this. Before we get started, I just want to encourage you to please subscribe. I want to thank you as well. I cannot believe that I am over 50 subscribers. I have more than 70 now, I believe. That's crazy. That's like talking to not only a room of people, like a conference of people. That's insane. And I am so thankful. I'm just happy and thankful. The next goal is 100 subscribers, so please help me get to that goal. I look forward to showing you how to get these results. Let's get started. So I have already detangled my hair. It was a tangled mess. And now I have, in order to detangle it, I put leave-in, my usual leave-in, kinky curly, not today. You know, I use that. I also used coconut oil and I detangled my hair. So this is all detangled. Now I'm going to put some of this mousse in here. I used this in my curl versus mousse video. So I'm gonna put some of that, just a couple pumps, this much in half. I have long hair. So my reasoning for doing this video is really because twist outs never worked for me. And that's simply because I realized my hair is thin and my curl pattern doesn't hold twist. So it doesn't work. So what I do, and this is the easiest thing, this video is literally not gonna be that long. All I do is I separate my hair into two sections. I don't part it because I don't want it to necessarily be like very defined. I don't want the part to be like, oh wow, she's parting her hair when I take the twist out. So I will literally flat twist my hair in two. But keep watching because it's not just flat twisting, there's also more. So if you don't know how to flat twist, I'm basically just twisting my hair around, taking up one section, picking up here, twisting it, moving on to the next section, taking up here, twisting it, moving on, twisting it, moving down, twisting it, picking up here, twisting it. Okay? So this is my hair. Then when I get to this section, if I continue twisting my hair down here, what's going to happen is my hair will just unravel because, again, my curl pattern is not the one that holds twist. It just isn't. However, my curl pattern is the one that holds braids. So what I do now is I have two sections, see? And so I'll take like a little bit out of one section, separate it, and a little bit out of the other section, separate it, and then I will start a braid. Then I'll braid the remainder of my hair. And if you didn't get all that, I'm going to do it again for the other section because I know that sometimes some of you don't know how to flat twist. So I want to show you that again. And even I want to show you how I braid. So we can do that again even more slowly. So I'm almost at the end, and see, my hair holds plaits. It does not hold twist. So I'm here and I have like this little curl. I leave that. I don't go all the way to the end. So I'm gonna have like a little curl in the end. So I have one here. All right, so I'm going to do the next one. So again, flat twist. So taking one section, another section, just twisting, right? Then I'm going to pick up one section, twist it, pick up another section. See guys, picking up one section, twisting it, picking up last section, twisting it, picking up one more section, twisting it, final section, twisting, twisting, and get to the nape of my neck. Then I take one part of this, one part of the other, then I start my braid. So now I have 3 and I can start my braid. And my braids are usually under. So I take it, I go under, I go under, I go under, under, under. It's like weaving. Under, under, under. And you can replay that if you would like. So that is the process. I wait for this to dry. I'm doing this on towel dried hair, so it's not like my hair is soaking wet. That's another thing you want to avoid, doing this with soaking wet hair. So I'm doing this until my hair is very dry, and you want to make sure that, you know, I usually go to sleep, wake up, and then my hair is ready to go. So I will be back when my hair is fully dry, show you the rest of the process, show you how I take this out and the results I get. So my hair is completely dry and it looks kind of crusty. Yeah, cause it looks crusty. So the first thing I will do is I am going to actually get my coconut oil, and I'll put a little bit on my hands, just a tiny, tiny bit, this much. My hands, put it together, put it over the braids, and then I will start at the very end, unravel gently, gently, keep unraveling. See how nice and clumped together that is? This is what I like. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, it smells so good. That is all thanks to that mousse. That mousse smells so good. Oh my goodness. See, that's the thing with curly hair and no heat. You literally have the best smelling hair. It's just great. So I'm just unraveling this side. So as you can see, the easiest thing ever. This is my twist out for 3A hair. It's so easy, and I really like the front part because what happens is that, and it's not frizzy by the way, and then I'll like fluff it. Do you see this? Do you see this? Okay. I just want to make sure y'all see this. Doesn't that look good? You see what I mean? You see this pattern? This curl pattern? Whenever I don't have the energy, and it depends on what mood I'm in. If I don't have the energy to go through this and do like my whole wash and go, it's too much, and I want dry hair, like immediately I don't want to use heat, don't want to use my diffuser because, and I want volume, this is what I will do. So now for the baby hairs, I am not any baby hair genius. Like I know some people are, but essentially I will just use my Not Today. Just make sure they don't look crazy. I'll put a little bit on my hand and a little bit on the baby hairs, just so that my hair looks moisturized, not crazy. You know? Just to make sure that the front part looks nice and juicy. Put some more. I'm really not a baby hair genius, I'm not even gonna lie. And then I take my eyebrow pencil, the side that has a spoolie, and I will start to just lay these down a little bit better. I don't have like the edge, and as I said before, I'm not like a baby hair genius, you guys. I just want it to look like my hair has some type of structure and it's not like weird. So that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something from this and you learned how to do a twist out for 3A hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.